Hyundai SantaFE 2015 version. Install 9-inch Onego Android player, 4 plus 64 GB Rom, 8-core processor with good fitting OEM casing and OEM socket plug and play. Connect back original reverse camera. And connect to original steering control. Music. Radio. So this is main screen special UI for Onego. Full menu. Log in your Gmail address to download apps APK in App Store, in Play Store. So you can connect Wi-Fi to link to connect internet. So Bluetooth music, Bluetooth phone call available. Equalizer DSP setting, 48 band equalizer. Type alignment available. Normal setting. Car setting. You can download Waze, Google Map, YouTube. So install by one piece. Thank you.